Hello everyone. Our today's topic is assign cookies. In this, what we have given a greed factor array and we have given another the size cookie array. So what we have to do, we have to find the maximum number of the children which we can assign with the size given in the size cookie array. So let's we can only satisfy the need of the children if and only if the size of cookie is greater than that of greed of the children. So let's look into the example. So we have given for the 0, for the first children we have a greed factor of 1, for the second children we have a greed factor of 2, for the third children we have a greed factor of 3. Similarly, for the size of cookie, for the size of cookie array we have one size cookie, and similarly another cookie is also one size. So with this size of cookies we can only satisfy the need of one children, that is our first children, because the size of this cookie is equal to the size of greed needed by the first children. So let's dive into the second example given by them. So what we are given in this, for the 0th children, like for the first most children, we have a greed factor of 1, that is this children need the cookie size 1. For the second we have a second. Similarly, for the size of cookies we have one size, we have one, we have second size of cookie, and we have third number of cookie size. So with this cookie size we can satisfy the need of two children, as we can satisfy the need of first children, we can satisfy the need of our second children. So the basic approach what we can do to solve this is simply sorting them out, simply sorting both of the array, that is cookie array as well as the greed array, then try to find out if our the cookie size is greater than that of our greed size. We can simply increment the count of our children and we can return that count in the end. So let's try to do this. So we are doing this in the JavaScript. So let's first initialize our ith pointer. It will point to our greed factor array which starts with 0. Let's start with second pointer, that is jth, which will traverse over our size of cookie array. Now our simple basic approach is to sort them out quickly. So we will sort both of the array. This is g dot sort. Yi dot g is, that is basically the name of the array. So the name of array is g given. So I just put that g dot sort. I'm just writing a simple sort function. We're gonna sort it in increasing order for both of the arrays. So let's sort them out first. Now we need a counter array. We need a counter variable to track the count of the number of children. So let's initialize it with 0. Now our basic approach is that while our I will ended, while our j will ended, we will run these loops till then, while I is less than g dot length and j is less than s dot length. We simply check if s of j is greater than equal to g of I, like size of cookie is greater than or equal to the greed factor of children. If it is, we're gonna simply increase the count, that is number of count, and simply we're gonna increase the ith index. Like now with this factor we can satisfy the need of this children. Now we're gonna simply move to the second children and try to check it, like if it is possible to satisfy the need of this children or not. else we're gonna simply increment the j and we will return the count. So let's try to run the, okay, that's a method. So we are done. I hope you like the solution. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.